old trout. Is my camera on? You see the red light? That's a big one, dude. Oh, it's a kitty. It's something small. Yeah, trout. That's the only thing at night. Start catching them boogers. Yeah, I'll go. Trash fish. I got him. Oh, he's fighting pretty good. This is probably a snapper. Oh, it's heavier than I thought it was, dude. It's a snapper. Shaking that head. Oh, that's a good one, dude. That's a keeper, probably. Oh no. Oh, he's fighting a weight. What is it?
This one's heavy.
Dude, if you roll up a weight right now, I'm about to laugh at you. Whoa, what is that? Oh my God, a giant oyster fish. Alex, you're the trash fish king. I got blocked. You remember the one at Dolphin Island? Ooh. Is my camera on? Can you see the red light?
Yeah.
Strong? Oh my, oh my! Holy cow! Oh! Is my camera on?
Yes,
Grab that drop net. You see the crusher? It's to the right in that crack. That's a big one. Oh no! No! No, dude. That was. He's got one. Ew. Let me get a video. What's it gonna be? It's spinning. It's a kitty cat. Oh!
Oh my God.
It's a kitty cat of epic proportions. Here, you need these. Fell right out. That's a fat hardhead, ain't it?
That's what I said. Wow.
I fucking hate those, man.
I just keep. Oh! Oh! He's fighting a weight! He's fighting a weight! Is it a little fish? A trout. Spun to hell and back. You're fun. Ain't it funny how those trout bite them big old lures? You got a fish. Oh my gosh, what you got? Another pinfish? That's a trout. Kitty cat.
Oh my God, he's cute.
Yuck.
That's why I was just...
Uh-oh. There's something on it. Something little. Alex, yours too. Maybe. I got him. It's a snapper. It's gotta be. Yep. It's not a bad one.